90% of freelancers never make stable income. And no, it's not because they are lazy or not good enough. It's because no one teaches you how to build consistent income as a freelancer. You just get thrown into the wild job boards, proposals, interviews, and you're expected to figure it out. In this video, I'll show you the 5 biggest reasons freelancers stay broke and how to fix them before burnout hits. Let's start with the lie we've all been sold. Freelancing means freedom. Yeah, freedom to wake up at noon, sure, but also freedom to stress about where your next client is coming from. I learned this the hard way. In my first year freelancing, I had months where I earned $3,000 and months where I earned zero. Why? Because I had no system. I was reacting, not building. And trust me, inconsistent money destroys your motivation fast. So what's the real reason 90% of freelancers don't make stable income? Reason 1. They chase projects, not relationships. One-off jobs feel good short-term, but they're exhausting. You need repeat clients or retainer work to build real stability. Reason 2. They stop searching for new jobs when they are busy. You land 2 or 3 projects and stop looking. Then suddenly, silence. Always keep pitching, even when you're fully booked. You can always say no, but you may find better clients. Reason 3. They don't track their numbers. Most freelancers don't know their average monthly income, expenses, or how much they need to stay afloat. That's dangerous. Reason 4. They don't raise their rates. Some rate year after year. That's not a business. That's a trap. If inflation is rising, your income should too. Reason 5. They treat freelancing like a gig, not a business. No plan, no goals, no system. Just vibes. And vibes don't pay rent. If you want consistent income, here's what actually works. Specialize. Don't be a jack of all trades. Be the go-to person for one thing. Build clients' relationships. Always suggest next step. Make it easy to keep working with you. Track your pipeline. Know how many leads you need each month to stay stable. Review your finances weekly. Look at income, expenses, and savings. And yes, keep raising your rates. The better you get, the more you should charge. Look, freelancing isn't just freedom, it's responsibility. But when you treat it like a real business, you stop surviving and start growing. To help you get started, I made a free guide to plan your monthly freelance income and grow as a freelancer. It's in the description. And if this video opened your eyes like it did for me a few years ago, hit like and subscribe. It tells me to keep making content that helps you win.